Welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography in Portofino Blue. This car has previously had only one owner and is due for a service again in February 2022. This is a 4.4 V8 diesel. As you can see, you have a powered tailgate, and going into the boot you have plenty of space there for personal items including golf clubs and pushchairs. But you can also put the seats down if you need more room. Here you control the electrically deployable tow bar, which is a lot easier than attaching one yourself. You can either press the button there or the one on your key to shut it. Carrying around the car, you have 21-inch light silver diamond turned finish alloys. And going into the back, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which I'll show you how to use in a second, and executive rear class seating. So here you have your screens. You have different options including media with radio, television or media library. If you go onto television, you can find many different channels suitable for everyone, which is great on long journeys especially. Going back, you can also control your seat, whether you want it heated. The climate within the back, and also you can see the navigation to see how far you are from your destination. You have more storage in here, and that's where your headphones are kept. And you also have controls where your sunblind or the panoramic roof control. Stepping back outside the car, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the car I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key is nearby. Illuminated autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior, which is easier to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice on a sunny day like today, or just if you want a bit of fresh air. And you close it using the same button. A fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. 10-inch display screen where you can control the rear entertainment in the back. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Timed climate. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav if you're in an area you're not familiar with, and a 360-degree surround camera making parking and reversing a lot easier. Several different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving, and you can also see that displayed in front of you. Sand, mud ruts, grass, gravel and snow. Heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. Along with heated and cooled in the back, again keeping all passengers happy. Going back to the front, you do have massage seats, which is a luxury to have, with various different settings there. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, meaning if anyone comes alongside you, especially on the motorway, that will flash, which is definitely safer. A heated steering wheel, along with memory seats throughout the car, which is great for several people in and out, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that bit more enjoyable. This car has done 11,013 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, we do also have soft door closed. And that was a lovely Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.